What if I told you that you could earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by sharing a link? It's not a myth, it's the TEMU affiliate program, and I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of it. Whether you're on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, this program is open to everyone. The concept is simple. Every time someone downloads the app through your link, you earn a reward, and every sale made through that same link earns you a commission of up to 50%, paid straight to your account. So how do you join the TEMU affiliate program? Nothing could be easier. Log into your TEMU account as usual, through the link in the description, the pinned comment, or by scanning the QR code on screen to unlock extra bonuses and rewards, so make sure to take advantage of it. Don't have an account yet? Sign up in seconds with Google, Facebook, or simply your email address. Once logged in, scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage and tap Affiliate and Influencer Program. You'll be taken straight to the TEMU affiliate program page where you'll find all your rewards, your affiliate earnings, plus your personal link to share, along with a promo code for your community. All that's left is to share that link and promo code with your audience across your platforms or in your videos. And every sale made through you earns you up to 50% commission, paid straight to your account. The more you share, the more you earn, all without investing a single cent. That's it. Now you know everything you need to turn a simple link into a real source of income. Don't forget to use the code and the link in the description, the pinned comment, or by scanning the QR code on screen to unlock extra bonuses. See you next time.